Too much history have you make it so hard to live, yeah. What you do? Big old man thing, me not just want you, me need ya. What you do it? I must show you.
Welcome to Drina's channel. As you can see, this video is about how I got my hair to this length in the space of 4 months. Okay, as you may know or may not know, I've cut my hair about this length from the nape of my neck, as you might call it. So right here my neck is, all the way to right here. It was very short. I show you a clip above and you sort of see how my hair was, you know, in September. So in September I cut my hair because I had so many unlevel ends throughout my hair. Like some bit was short, some bit was long, so it was like all about the place and stuff like that. So I was like, it needs to be cut and be on the same level as me. So yeah, so with that now, I'll straighten my hair today to give you a length check. It's grown tremendously in the space of only 4 months, and what I do is I only normally just wash my hair every week, moisturize my hair, and yeah, that's it. So I mainly wear my hair in a wash and go. With that said, I'm going to show you a length, the length of how my hair is right now. This is the length so far to my hair. Throughout you know, my journey since I cut my hair in September, I realized that thin texture leave-in conditioners or any moisturizer for my hair doesn't work well. I tend to use a thick texture on my hair, so I realized that using like a thick conditioner, thick cream for my hair, it makes my hair very moisturized, and it stays that way like for a long time. It stays that way for at least a week. So what I use for my leave-in conditioner or for moisturizer, or if I'm twisting my hair up, I tend to use a Cream of Nature twist and curl pudding. I think that's what it's called, but that's what I use on my hair like all the time. Without that product, my hair is dry and just brittle. It just wouldn't work. So with that, it makes my hair 100% better than how it was before. And I've been hearing so many things going around about this rice, what's it called? This rice water, yeah, method. So a lot of people have been trying this out. I don't know how it works for me right now because I've only just used it for a week already. So I'm planning to do like a month update of how my hair is from now to then. So I've also inserted a clip of how I make rice water. Invincible. And this, I have the rice in it, and so what I tend to do after I condition my hair, and once I want to rinse my hair, I use the rice water and then leave it in there, and that's all I do really. It kind of has a little funny smell to it. I don't like it. I'm going to search in Google just let you guys know if you don't know, and let myself know as well because I don't know benefits of rice water. And it says here that it can promote cell growth, stimulates blood flow, help your skin to be smooth and bright, and also rice water helps acne to strengthen and to beautify your hair, protect it from damages, Helps the stomach when it comes to bloating, constipation, diarrhea. Helps to protect from the sun and regulates body temperature. So I guess rice water is good for many things. So I think the number two things I got from this is that it's good for the face, the skin, and good for also your hair. So that's and also I think drinking it as well, isn't it? Because it helps the stomach and stuff. So I think you can drink it. I wouldn't advise that, but that's what it says on Google. So yeah, so I'm gonna try this out for 4 weeks and see how it is on my hair. We'll use it as a rinse in water for my hair. So that's it, guys. That's all I got to say for this video. If you have used the rice water, let me know how it was for you, how it helps your hair, your skin, however you use it for. How did it help you? And let me know. Just comment below, let me know, guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as well. Share with your family, friends, everybody. Yeah, so guys, look out for my video in a month's time to see how my hair have grown from now to then. So don't forget and watch out for that video, okay? And see you in the next one. Bye.